Okay, so it's fairly busy in B&M, which not like normal Saturday morning, but busier than I thought it was going to be. And at the moment I've just picked up hand gel and stuff. If I had room for this, I would probably get that because that is a really nice table. How much is it? It doesn't have a price. Really like that desk space. £70. And it's got USB bits. I really like all this storage. I might get one of the small ones. If they had that size in a grey, that would be really good. So I just went into Homesense and I actually bought some things for my mum's birthday. I bought her some pots because she likes pots in the garden, and she didn't need more, she got loads. My car is now absolutely bloody warm. Oh my god, I bought 5 pots and I spent £23 on them, and they're like ceramic and stuff, which is really good when you can spend like £20 on one in like a garden centre. So always like getting pots from Homesense. So I've just got back and I'm just going to show you what we got from B&M, but it's really not exciting. So these, which I don't know how much they were. So the antibacterial hand wipes were 89p, and then I got antibacterial hand gel for £2.99. But so I got those because if I do, well, we're still working from home and stuff, but I do sometimes, like probably once a month, 2 times a month, do go into the office just to like, because I have to do certain things, and we're now like doing in the offices, if you go in communal areas like the kitchen, the corridors, you have to wear a face mask and stuff like that. So I bought some of this so that I can take that around with me because I hadn't got any, and when I was trying to get some at the beginning of lockdown, and obviously you couldn't get that anywhere, but they had quite a bit in B&M. Bought toothpaste, which was the main thing I wanted to go into B&M for. That was what, £1.79. I did want to buy a few more shower gels, but the men's shower gels and men's toiletry section in general doesn't seem to be there anymore, so that's fun. And then I also bought some Flash bathroom for £1 because I use quite a bit of it when I'm doing it. But anyway, I am just going to quickly show you a clip of the pots I brought my mum in the boot of my car, because I'm going to take them before her birthday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this like little bit of a come shop with me. Sorry I didn't show anything in Homesense, but it was just super busier than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you liked, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.